Good morning, everybody. Now I'm going to share my screen. This is about how to use the basic DDL and DML commands. DDL is termed as data definition language and DML is data manipulation language. Under DDL, now I am going to show you the basic table creation syntax. It's nothing but in the Oracle SQL, I have already opened it. You have to give after installing the SQL Plus, opening the SQL Plus in Oracle, you have to give the username and password. While installation, you would be providing that. So after opening the SQL Plus, you can type your commands over here. So here I'm giving the table creation DDL statement. The syntax is create table. The table name, I am giving it as EMP10. So it is the table name is how will you give the identifier in any programming language. The same rules followed over here. Letters and characters you can give. And after giving the table name, you have to list out the fields or the column names under the table you want to provide. Here, the column name is EMP name and followed by the field data type. Here for character data type, the data type is varchar2 and here I am giving the size. Okay, some 10 letters maximum I can give. And then another field, EMP number with the number data type. Okay, in Oracle, you can give numbers in number and character type in varchars. And for date, okay, DOB is another column name. I am giving date as the field data type and DOG is another column with same date data type and another column salary which also comes under number data type. Okay, here I am giving some 6-digit number and I am closing the create table command with semicolon followed by it. Table has been created. Now I show you how to insert the rows into the table. EMP10, what I have created over here, just the syntax. This insert statement comes under DML statement. Okay, DML SQL commands. Insert into is the keyword, followed by you have to give the table name. Here the table name is EMP10, followed by values is the keyword. And in the order of the field, you have to give. First is I have created the EMP name. So within single quotes, you have to give the character data type and date data type. For numbers, no need of including in single, single quotes, okay? For date and character alone, you have to include in single quotes, not double quotes, single quotes. Date, how you have to give means first date, followed by hyphen, followed by first three digit of the month name, followed by 4 digit of the year, okay? And you have to include within the single quotes. So here I am giving the date of joining. This for date means you have to give in this format only. Okay, I am including within single quotes. After date of joining, you have to give the salary. And then I am closing this. So here I have created one row and you can give the multiple rows using the ampersand format in the same insert command, insert into table name and then values followed by, you have to include within single quotes ampersand. Ampersand means in SQL, it will get from the user. Ampersand followed by the column name. And if it is character or a date means you have to include in single quotes. So while giving the entry, data entry, no need to give single quotes. Just a data entry alone you can give. Okay, for IMP number, no need to give a single quotes because it is the number. Okay, and date of birth. I am including within single quotes because it comes under date data type. Then comes date of join, that also I am including in single quotes. And last one is salary. So what happens here means if you are including the column names with the ampersand means you have to get from the user. Okay. Now I am getting from the user. One by one it will be asking. So already have inserted one row. So using this I am creating this syntax. I am creating another row. Okay. So here I am giving the date of join. Next comes the salary. Okay. So one row created. Once again, if you give the slash, once again it will ask another entry. Okay. So likewise, you can give multiple records. You can insert / you give, and it will be asking from the user what you need to give. So if you see, while entering the data here, I'm not including the dates and strings under single quotes because in the ampersand, while giving in the syntax itself, have provided the single quotes over here. So no need to give you here. If you are giving once again the single quotes in the data entry means it will provide the error. Okay. If you are not providing means you have to provide the single quotes. Okay. One row created. So how to see these three records I have created here? How to see these records means using the DML statement, select statement. Okay, select star from the table name. If you are giving means it's nothing but star means all columns it will be displaying. So here I have created three rows and you can see all the three rows here. Okay. And if we want to see the description of the command means you can do that using the DESC command. Okay. So it will be now listing what all the columns or field names available under that table. Okay. Now I want to add a primary key. While creating the table itself, you can add, but later also you can add provided it should not violate the already existing table column values. Now EMP10, I want to add this EMP name as primary key means I can give provided it does not violate the EMP. Here I have given EMP number as different only. So no problem over here. So I can create. So table had been ordered. Why means already have given 100, 200, 300. Primary key means it should be a unique one and not null. Okay, that column should contain some values and if it is unique means it can provide as the primary key. So no problem. Here, can I clear the screen just to bring the SQL at the top. Okay. Now I can add. This alter command comes under DDL because it changes the structure of the table. What commands and all changing the structure of the table, it comes under DDL, okay? Data definition language command. Here I am adding a column in the already existing one, okay? City now I am adding, okay? Varchar 2 and its size is some 6 or 7, whatever, okay? I am giving and I am closing this. Now table has been ordered, okay? I mean altered. Now I am selecting while just you can press up and down arrow just to see the previous commands. It will come. Just if you are pressing up and down arrows, you can get the old worked out commands here. So in the select comes under DML. So here you can give select some particular star means it will display all fields. But here selectively if you want only 2 columns or 3 columns means after that select keyword you can list out. Okay. So just I am giving AMP and city. If you see over here, I have added the city later only. Now you can update values using the update command that comes under the DML statement. Okay, update EMP, that is the table name you have to give. Set is the keyword. What is the column you want to set? Okay, set city. Just I am giving Chennai. Okay, what it will do here? All the rows it will set this. Okay, so while update statement, you have to be careful. Just you have to give where statement that is for particular roll number alone. I want to give a particular city means you can give using the where statement. Okay, so where is the class? You can give the condition. That is this column name EMP number equal to 100. Okay, so that alone gets updated. Once again, if you want to execute the same, select EMP number city means you can see over here. Okay. Next, I want to show you how to this DML commands a select statement. You can give in the where string characters, a particular name start with this number. Like that, if it is there means you can use the where statement. Okay, I will show you. Here I am giving table name from table name where EMP name like. Okay, because here I am giving single quotes or percentage and I am closing. What happens? The name starts with the R will be displayed over here. Okay. So if you want to select, you can give order by also. After the last class should be the order by. Okay. Just it will order in ascending order of the name, order by EMP name. What happens here? Raja will be coming first. Okay, based on the EMP name, you are ordering. So if you are not providing any keyword, means automatically in ascending order only it will give. If you want in descending order, means you have to order by column name, you have to give DESC. Okay, and the same thing, if the number is only percentage means a set of characters. But RA, it should start and it in between whatever character it may come and it should end with I. Means what? RA any letter, third letter, whatever it can be, and it ends with the I means that alone you can get. Okay. So this is how you can percentage for group of characters and underscore for the particular character. Okay. And then in there, I'm giving commit, means it will say. Okay. So here I have updated city names. Okay. So what's the use of this commit means I will show you. Now another DML command is delete. Delete from EMP, that is the table name, the particular value. If you are not giving any var class means it will delete all the rows. So in update and delete, you should be very careful to give the particular, when the var class particular condition, whatever you want to delete. Okay. Here 100 alone got deleted. If you see select a star from, okay, let it be EMP number. What happens? Only 100 is there. Okay. So now I'm just roll back. So because I didn't give any commit over here. Now I'm giving rollback means what happens? Once again, I am giving the same thing. If you see 100 has come. Because I didn't give any commit after that delete command. Okay. So whatever the statements you have executed, okay, till the previous commit, it will get rolled back. Okay. And then next thing I want to show you how to drop a particular column. Okay, so already how to add the city column we have seen. Okay, so the same thing using the alter command that comes under DDL, because it is changing the structure of the table. No, alter table, already table name and add city have shown you. So you can drop a column also using the alter table command. Okay, using the keyword drop column city. Okay. So table has been altered. Now select star from table name. What happens here? So you will not see any city. Okay. And another thing I want to show you, spool. So here, so already I should have shown you this. Okay. So spool command is the one, it will store whatever you are typing over here. It will just record it there. Okay. Now, so here I'm giving this statement. Just I'm giving spool off. Okay. So no, not till spool off. It will record whatever you are typing in SQL. Another thing I want to show you, truncate command. It also comes under DDL. Okay. What this truncate will do means it will delete all the rows from the table, but structure will be there. Okay. All the rows alone, it will all the rows have been deleted here. So if you see the description, you can see only the structure, but not any rows. Okay. So if you want to delete the whole table itself, means you have to use drop command. It also comes under drop table has been dropped. This also comes under DDL. Okay. This delete, select, update, insert, comes under DML. This alter command, create command, drop, truncate comes under DDL. Okay. Now, if you see the description, the table does not exist, it show. Okay. So this is what I want to show you. Basic DDL and DML. In next class, we'll see the constraints, how to add primary key, foreign key, check constraint, not null constraint, unique constraint. Okay, thank you. So while exiting, we have to give disconnect. Sorry, spelling. And exit. Okay, it will get exit. Now, if you go and see, oh, spool off I didn't do, so it will not get. If spool off command, if you give means under the text, you can see all these commands. Okay.